Hello students, hope you are doing well. So upcoming there are many examinations which are coming up, being it's UGC net and many exams are coming up. So we can see UGC net examination is there because now anybody can give, and then we are examination for various entrance examinations are also coming up. Okay, so you are the most important, you are having CUET PG exam also. So I have come with an interesting thing for you today. I have come with the Pumdet paper solution. Okay, let's see how I can help you up, and if you need any more guidance for any more topic, do tell me. Okay, let's see how we can go. Okay, so let's start. First question: what is the following axioms of preferences are essential to ensure that marginal utility is positive? We know the concepts total utility, marginal utility. So here we have to go with this only, that there are certain concepts and what is the correct answer. So let's see what is the correct answer. Okay, so let's start. What is the meaning of each everything, and then we can do with the thing. Okay, so first we have been given four things. Okay, so what is the answer? Now first I will understand what is marginal utility. Marginal utility refers to the additional satisfaction gained from the consuming an additional unit. Satisfaction gained from consuming, and it refers to the satisfaction gained from consuming an additional unit of a good. Okay, so now what is that? We know positive marginal utility imply means if it is positive. Positive means what? Obviously it's a good which gives me utility, right? Now here the answer will be monotonicity. Because here what is my question? Which of the following axioms of preference are essential to ensure that marginal utility are positive? So here it is transitivity, continuity, monotonicity and concavity. Obviously it is monotonicity, because monotonicity is the axiom that more is better. That more is better. Meaning a consumer prefers more of any good, which ensures marginal utility are positive. Other options, there are other options: transitivity, continuity and concavity. Obviously, what is this transitivity? Transitivity means consistent choice. We have learnt obviously consistent choice. Okay. What is continuity? Continuity, preferences are smooth. Preferences are smooth. And concavity deals with diminishing marginal utility. Marginal utility is diminishing. So here your answer will be monotonicity. Okay. So now I come up with the next question, which deals with, given the utility function root xy, x and y are, where u xy is root xy. Okay. So here we can directly understand that we have to tell that it is net and gross substitutes. Net substitutes and gross substitutes. Net substitutes, but I neither gross substitutes nor complement, net and gross complement. So here what is my utility function? My utility function is given like this, and this is a Cobb-Douglas utility function. This is what? A Cobb-Douglas utility function. Okay. Now Cobb-Douglas utility function means what we know? Cobb-Douglas utility function implies that the goods are net substitutes. That the goods are net substitutes. Why? Because the marginal rate of substitution depends on ratio of x, y. But the goods are neither gross substitutes. Gross substitute when demand for one increase with the price of other. That is gross substitute concept. Gross substitute means what? When the demand of one increases with the price of other. Nor gross complements. Complements we know when demand for one decreases with the price of the other. So the functional form makes a good substitute. So here the answer will be net substitutes, but neither gross substitutes nor complements. Now we will jump up to the third question, an individual utility function which is being given by u of xy, x1, x2 is log x1 plus log x2. Then expenditure function will be how much? Now we know the utility maximization problem. The utility maximization problem. So u x1 x2, that is log of x1 plus log of x2. Okay. Now it is subject to budget constraint. What it is? M is equals to P1x1 plus P2x2. Okay. Now the consumer allocates expenditure proportionally. Okay. Between x1 and x2. So x1 will be what? M by 2p1 and x2 will be m by 2p2. Okay. So substituting this into utility function, it will give me log of m by 2p1 plus log of m by 2p2. Okay. Because we know that the consumer allocates expenditure proportionally between like this. So m is a function of this. Now fourth shade, in competitive market at equilibrium, the quantity and price are given as 15.75 and 5 respectively. So further, at equilibrium elasticity of demand is 0.4 and elasticity of supply is 0.5. So the market demand function and market supply function are given and how to find out. Okay. So here what we have? We have the elasticity as del Q by del P into P by Q, right? So for elasticity of demand it is 0.4, that is negative of del Q by del P, right? Now if I solve del Q with respect to del P, it will give me minus 1.26. So it will be 22 minus 1.26 P, right? Now for elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply will be, we know elasticity of supply is 0.5, del Q by del P 5 by 15.75. So del QS by del P is 1.575. So quantity of S will be 7.875 plus 1.575. P. So at P equals to 5, Q equal to 15.75, confirming the equilibrium. So I hope it helps. If you need any more guidance on this or any question answer solution for this, to let me know, and I hope it helps. Best of luck, students.